which is question number 86. Let's read it. Entropy of solution on mixing processes increases for both ideal and non-ideal solution, decreases for both ideal and non-ideal solution, increases for ideal solution but decreases for non-ideal solution, decreases for ideal solution but increases for non-ideal solution. Student, among the given statements, the correct statement is option number 1, as we all know that mixing of two solution increases randomness. As a result, entropy increases for both ideal as well as non-ideal solution. So the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, which is question number 87. Let's read it. Select the correct statement among the following. The value of molar elevation constant Kb depends on molality of aqueous solution. Student, this is an incorrect statement, as the value of molar elevation constant Kb depends only on the nature of solvent and temperature. Moving to next. Molality of solution depends on temperature. This is an incorrect statement, as molality depends upon mass and mass is independent of temperature. So molality will also be independent of temperature. All the noble gases have the same value of Henry's law constant at the same temperature. Student, this is an incorrect statement, as different noble gases have different value of Henry's law constant, that is Kh. Moving to the last statement. Osmotic pressure method is one of the best method used for the determination of molecular weight of proteins. Student, this is the correct statement, as osmotic pressure method is used to determine the molecular masses of biomolecules like proteins and polymers. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to the next question, which is question number 88. Let's read it. Which of the following is a colligative property? Student, first of all, we need to understand colligative property. So the properties of solution which depends upon the number of solute particles added in the solution are known as colligative property. Here, vapor pressure is not a colligative property. Boiling point is again not a colligative property, rather than elevation in boiling point is a colligative property. Freezing point again is not a colligative property, rather than depression in freezing point is a colligative property. Last, lowering of vapor pressure. Student, this is a colligative property, as this depends upon the number of solute particles in the solution. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, which is question number 89. Let's read it. At 25 degrees Celsius, the total pressure of a solution obtained by mixing 1 mole of A and 2 mole of B will be. We are given the vapor pressure of pure solvent A and pure solvent B. Student, we all know that the total pressure, that is P total, is equals to Pn naught multiplied by XA plus Pb naught multiplied by XB. Let's put the values of the given term. Let's put the values in the equation. Pn naught given is 100 torr multiplied by mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A we can calculate 1 upon 3. That is the number of moles of A upon total number of moles. Plus 200, it is given here 200 torr. The vapor pressure of pure solvent B multiplied by mole fraction of B, which is equals to 2 upon 3. I have already multiplied this. You people will need to calculate this. This is equals to 500 upon 3, which is equals to 166.66 torr. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question. For the reaction A plus B plus C gives product, the rate expression is given by Ka B 0.5 C. If B is an axis, the overall order of reaction will be. Student, for this question we need to know that if a compound is present in axis, then order with respect to that compound will be 0. So here, if B is present in axis, then the order with respect to B will be 0, and the overall order of the reaction will become 2. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Students, that was my last question. Thank you so much. I hope this quick solution is helpful for you all. All the very best and be safe.